Hey friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead. Excuse me, I have a bit of a head cold going on right now, just a little bit. Say goodbye to the old dirt devil. It doesn't owe me a nickel, and it has literally bit the dust. So, yesterday, I went out and I bought this. A Shark Rocket Deluxe Pro Ultra Light. Let's get the English side here. Ultra light. And floor to ceiling cleaning. What I really like is that you're supposed to be able to take this head off and attach it right to this part, and that will make vacuuming my couch that much easier. Howie took the tree down last month, and the decorations have been sitting in the corner, and I asked him why he didn't put them away, and he said, Bev, I just took them off the tree. I didn't wrap all the breakables or anything. So I've done that. So as you can imagine, I'm going to give you a close-up of my rug, because I haven't had a vacuum for 2 weeks, and my rug is full of dog hair, bits of thread, pine needles, bits of chewed wood, all that stuff. One thing I'm going to say straight off from an environmental standpoint, this has way too much plastic packaging. Everything was neatly compartmentalized in the box. So why did they have to wrap every single piece in a plastic bag? It's one thing to put screws for the wall mount on a plastic bag, that's fine. But this is ridiculous. All right, let's put this puppy together. This is the bare floor attachment. You put this pad on here, like so, and it has these little handy dandy Velcro things. And then you can pull, this is like a duster, but this is the vacuum part. And you can take this off and wash it. So I like that idea so far, because even though it says that you can go from rug to bare floor, with this, 9 times out of 10, it just shoots stuff all over the place anyway. So I have a lot of bare floors. This is the only rug I actually do, except for a couple of mats. So this is going to be pretty much just for my carpet. And what I like is that this is the canister, and you can plug your head. Look at this, Howard. You can plug your head right into that. Now, how much easier is that for me to vacuum my couch and my cushions with this, eh, dear? And then we just pop a button and it comes right off. Okay, now here's the stick part, and it has a crevice tool, and it has other brushes for upholstery, and these are all fast connectors too, eh? Like, there is no searching for plugs and stuff. Apparently you should just be able to, okay, I've got this going the wrong way. Okay, you should just be able to do this. Wow. And then quick release. Look at that, Howie. Look. Cool. Cool, I know. Okay, so let's try the stick vacuum part. Let's do the bare floor first. All right. Once again, quick connect. And look at this too. When you go to hang this up on the wall, you can't stand it up, right? So you do your quick release thing here. And look at this. That way, you can either stand it up in a corner and it'll be fine, or you can use the wall mount bracket. Let's put the shark through its paces. Oh. How do I know this is it? Oh, this is a quick release, so you can just take it over to the whoops. You're supposed to open it over the garbage, folks. But that picked up quite a bit of stuff. Awesome. Okay, next, quick release. And on to the carpet. Head down. Whoops. Almost had a Clark Griswold moment. All right, now I want to show you this because I'm suitably impressed. Look at that. I am suitably impressed, and you'd have to go a long way and look really hard to find a dog hair on there. Suitably impressed. Look at the difference. All right, I'm going to finish the rug and then we'll do the couch. Okay, so it does need emptying. This is the max line right here, and I've overgone it just on my rug, and no doubt. Now watch, this is how you empty it over the garbage. Just like that. Wow. Wow. Just like that. Back on it goes. Wow, that's a week. Oh my God. This is really easy, folks. The handy dandy bag. Thank you, Shark people, for all these accessories, most of which I won't use on a regular basis. All right, we have a handy accessory bag. I'm going to take this off because I'm going to finish vacuuming my couch, but I really like how easy it connects and disconnects. The upholstery tools don't work on this couch, it's canvas, but the beater bar does. I'm just going to have to live with the hair on the back until we take the whole couch cover off and clean it. But you know what? It's lightweight, it's storable, it's compact, and it's got power, real good power. And it does better on bare floors than any other vacuum I've ever tried. So, paid my own money for this vacuum, and they're not paying me for any of this, okay? But what I'm telling you is I did my own research into lightweight vacuums that were versatile for all over cleaning. The Shark Rocket Deluxe Pro. It sucks really well. Take care. God bless.